Pakistan's very high rates of malnutrition, 40.2% stunting, 28.9% underweight, and 17.7% wasting, are indicative of an ongoing child nutrition crisis. Such levels of malnutrition rank Pakistan as the second highest burden country in the region after India. Stunting is a decades-old problem. This high level of stunting is persistent in Pakistan since 1960. Stunting is a result of deprivation and has many drivers. It isn't just about food insecurity, income poverty, and inadequate dietary intake, but a range of factors related to food systems, household conditions, maternal factors such as age at marriage, the gap between two pregnancies, repeated infections, and health-seeking behaviors that are at play. The economic consequences of undernutrition in Pakistan are losses to the tune of $7.6 billion each year, which is 3% of our GDP. Improving nutrition is essential to eradicating poverty and accelerating economic growth. Evidence indicates that improved nutrition not only drives stronger economic growth, but also offers high value for money. Poverty in Pakistan stands at 24%, based on the cost of basic needs methodology. However, poverty jumped to 39% using the multidimensional index in 2016, which factors in education, health, and livelihood. We can end extreme poverty and create more inclusive societies by developing human capital. This requires investing in people through nutrition, healthcare, quality education, jobs, and skills. Conditional cash transfer interventions have a vital role to play in improving human capital development. This can enable access of health services to the most vulnerable and prevent another generation from becoming stunted. The government of Pakistan, in collaboration with the World Food Programme and the Aga Khan University, after 3 years extensive research and technical consultation, has designed a CCT program called Benazir Nashonuma. The benefits of locally produced specialized nutritious food was tested during the research study. In order to test the feasibility of the design, the program was launched in 15 pilot districts to increase uptake of health and nutrition services of its beneficiaries and to address stunting prevention and promote dietary diversity during the first 1,000 days window of opportunity. The program aims to prevent stunting in children and is focused on the first 1,000 days of life, as beyond that, stunting becomes irreversible. Pregnant and lactating women and their children less than 2 years of age from the Benazir Income Support Program beneficiary families are our target group. Benefits include quarterly conditional cash transfers, which are weighted in favor of the girl child. Conditional cash transfer of $10 is being distributed to PLWs and boy child, and $15 for the girl child per quarter on meeting the conditionality. The cash benefit is linked with consumption of specialized nutritious food, health awareness sessions, antenatal and postnatal care, and immunization. SNF is packaged as sachets for the program, and beneficiaries get a 3-month provision of 90 packets. They are meant to bring back empty sachets as evidence of consumption to get a refill and their cash transfer. Benefits are limited to 2 children so as to not create a perverse incentive.
पहले बार जब मैं उम्मीद से थी तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कमज़ोरी महसूस करती थी, लेकिन इस मरतबा जो खुराक हमें ये दे रहे हैं बेनज़ीर की तरफ से जो हमें खुराक मिल रही है उससे हम पहले से ज़्यादा बेहतरी फील कर रही हूँ। और हम ये खुराक के साथ उन्होंने हमें पैसे दिए, जिन पैसों से हम और खुराक के साथ फल फ्रूट और गोश्त वगैरह इस तरह की चीज़ें साथ लेके खा रहे हैं।
Considering wealth of experience in managing such large-scale execution, especially vis-a-vis managing the supply chain, the execution of the program was entrusted to the World Food Programme. The program is being implemented in close collaboration with provincial health departments. One window facilitation centers have been established at Tehsil and district level health facilities, through which all services are being provided under one roof. A quick process evaluation was carried out independently by the Aga Khan University, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Evaluation showed that Benazir Nashonuma intervention improved overall well-being of mother and children after inclusion of specialized food in their diet. And the conditional cash transfer facility helped women acquire self-reliance and self-dependency. The program is now being rolled out in all districts of the country. 600 facilitation centers will be established at Tehsil level health facilities to serve deserving beneficiaries. $200 million have been allocated for the next 3 years, with the aim to enroll 1.5 million PLWs and their children under 2 years. The recent unprecedented floods in the country have not only increased the poverty level, but also caused high food insecurity amongst the vulnerable families. Benazir Income Support Program aims to increase the coverage by adding more families in the program, especially the population affected by the floods. The Benazir Income Support Program is committed to address the issue of stunting for our healthy future generations.